I'm Sydney, opening Shea Moisture box really early in the morning with my friend Hallie here.
It's 2 a.m.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Open the box, please.
Tell them about how you sweat out your hair.
How I sweated out my hair. You know, it was straight, but now it's not. And I mean, I guess it was bad to have my hair straight during Pride Month, but I decided to do it anyway.
Look! Oh. Finally got the t-shirt. And it's the Time to Refresh coconut and cactus water stuff.
It's cool. I like reading.
T-shirt's cute. I literally love that it's black because black is my favorite color, to be honest. So,
It's dark.
whatever. It matches the most stuff. Okay, guess what else I got?
You got you a little towel?
A
with it?
towel.
That looks like a washcloth. What is that supposed to get done? What are we getting a towel?
You wipe your hands on it.
I was looking at that. That ain't no going over my hair. What you mean?
Okay, let's see. What is this? This is the Pick Me Up Light Mask with blue agave. Quench and maintain lighter than air volume. As this. Can they see?
Oops, she's pretty.
Okay. Oh, we got more soap. Okay, Quench and Refresh Bar Soap for dehydrated skin. Pow. Okay, what's this be? It's a body wash for dehydrated skin. Ding. Tetris Master. Okay, this is the body scrub. Ding. And last but not least is the lotion. Got some lotion.
I love lotion. You don't want to be ashy.
And I think that's it. They just put like a bunch of paper stuff in here. Yeah. Okay. Open it. I want to smell it.
Oh, okay. I was supposed to be like, can I try it?
You gotta open it.
I gotta open it.
Like open it.
Twist and twist. Oh, it's so much effort. Oh, never mind.
At
No,
least you popped it.
You're right. I popped it. I pop it. Pop it.
Girl, pop it.
You know I have a rocket. Shout out Meg the Stallion. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little ashy right now.
It kind of smells like a hotel.
It smells fresh. Like, you know, Bath and Body Works, what was it? Dancing Waters?
No, but I believe you. It just smells like hotel lotion to me.
I think it smells like a nice walk on the beach in the summertime.
Yeah.
Yeah, it literally smells like Dancing Waters.
I've never used Dancing Waters, so. But that's what is that? Do they also?
It's a body scrub. You could try this tonight.
Yeah.
Is this the shampoo? Oh, a body wash.
It's body wash.
All right, all right, all right.
And a mask. Is it hair mask or is it a body mask?
This is a. Oh, it is. It's called a Pick Me Up Light Mask.
Pick me.
Okay, what's that
Pick
for?
me. It is.
Read the back.
Like, okay.
Yeah.
Me, I am illiterate. Oh, it's for your hair. Apply generously to wet or dry hair. Comb thoroughly from roots to ends. For even distribution, leave it for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. For extra conditioning, cover hair with a plastic cap. It's like a conditioner, low key. But yeah, it's for your hairs.
Darn. I thought it was like a face mask.
It's not.
Well, okay. This is gonna be fun to use, I think.
It's really refreshing for the summertime too. It's not too like heavy. It's like really light.
That's what it says, light.
I love it. It's really good. I might have to take some, you know.
Please do have some.
Oh, bet. We love friends who share. Sharing is caring.
No.
This is a cute box. I like this concept.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Okay, so we're gonna do the bye-bye.
Yes.
Thanks, Shea Moisture, for the products. Can't wait for the next box. It's gonna be awesome.
Thanks.
She won't be here to open it, but it's fine.
Send me a box.
She said see. Okay, bye.
Au revoir.
Bye.
Oh, God.
So nice though.
What you know about this? Woo! This what is this? This body scrub. Woo! Get you some. This lotion.
Get you
Woo! Get you some. Where that soap at? This bar soap. Woo!
Guys,
Get
I
you
got like
some.
3 bars of soap now.
You might have to hand me one.
Listen.
Oh, you look.
My mom sent me this box to college. It was $20 to ship it.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just wait till you come back.
I'm based in Chicago.
You could take a product with you.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm like a kid's show. That's how
Hallie
these
and
fun-
Sydney. Sydney and Hallie. Sydney and Hallie. I was gonna do Max and Ruby, but it didn't work. We both
Wait,
had
what's the show called? He like beats on his little thing. Something about a box.
We just gotta let it. We just gotta let it.
No.
We-
It's with the black guy, and he's sitting and he's like beating on a
What
drum.
black guy?
There's a show.
The show.
It's really old, and it has a black guy sitting there.
Was it the out the box or in the box?
Yeah, out the box.
I never
It's
watched that
something.
show.
But it's all over Twitter, so now I feel like I
Twitter
know what
is
it
educating us about TV shows we never knew.
I was like on the cusp of 90s, 2000s, so it was a very awkward year. Like so far in 97 that I was basically born in 98.
I mean, same. I barely made the cut. Like, I literally barely made the cut. I waited. December 26th, I had like 5 days left. I was like, you know what? I'm going to make my debut. Can't be 98. Gotta be 97.
Exactly.
Period.
That's how I feel.
Oh, I
Period,
like that
sis.
show because the guy was cute. At least in my child's mind. I was like, wow, he's so pretty.
I have to look it up.
Is she talking about the same show?
Yeah.
Pretty.
Wow, what a
Yeah,
lively
nice hair.
video.
That's Brett over there. You can't see her, but she's eating Taco Bell.
And watching
so.
Friends
It was great.
at 2 a.m. Y'all already know what we've been doing. It's legal, though.
What?
I said you already know what we be doing. She's eating Taco Bell and watching Friends at 2 a.m.
Oh, yeah.
You know what we on.
Staying safe, like the Caucasian girls told us in the bar.
Woo!
Woo!